Look what's just turned up.
The book.
It's our new book, hard
Exciting.
copy. Been waiting for this moment for ages.
Let's
So
open it up.
there's a live unboxing for you. We haven't seen this before, have we, Jane?
Nope.
Right, am I opening it from the right way? Maybe here. Okay.
Let's have a look.
So this is ForestSchool World Play.
Which we've literally
third
just
book.
heard will be in Czech as well
Yeah.
already, which is fantastic. So our other books are in several different languages. Let's have a look.
Here you are. Do you want to do the honours,
Oh,
Jane?
wow, look at that.
Have a look.
Oh, what a gorgeous colour.
Do you want the knife?
Struggle with this bubble. Oh, here you go.
Want the knife?
Oh wow, look.
Got it.
That looks cool. That
Oh.
looks so amazing.
Nice colour. So this one's in orange. And the
Goes-
theme of this, Jane, is... Show you.
Elements.
So this one is ForestSchool World Play. Outdoor fun with earth, air, fire and water.
Goes
So
really well. Look.
that's the trilogy.
Yeah, amazing.
Right there, third book.
Wow, so cool.
So I'll give you a little snapshot. Do you want to read? Maybe Jane can read a bit of the contents.
So for Earth, we have Mud Trolls, Forest game. That's a brilliant game. I love playing that one. For Air, we've got lots, as you can see, but like wood whistles. For Fire, we've got the Dakota Fire Pit. And for Water, you could make your own log cup, or actually birch twig tea, which is really delicious. And let's just show you a flick through the book. I think it looks amazing. Love the colours. So the other thing that's different about this book is there's a story for each element. Two of them are my own stories and two are my rewritings of old ancient myths. So that's always really lovely to do. Sit round and listen to some stories. It looks great.
There's a little something in there for everybody, for all skill levels, all ages. I think it'll be a useful resource for parents playing at home with their children, looking for things to do, ForestSchool leaders, looking for ideas for your sessions or beginning your training. So yeah, it's available for pre-order now, and then it will be out in June officially, and you'll get sent your copy if you pre-order now. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you later.
Take care, bye.